Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, also known as NRI Day, is a celebration of Indians living abroad, honoring non-resident Indians and persons of Indian origin for their achievements worldwide. This day connects the global Indian family, recognizing their contributions in fields like science, business, and the arts. It's India's way of saying, "We see you and we're proud of you." The event strengthens bonds between India and its diaspora, keeping family ties strong. The Indian diaspora is a vibrant, talented community that blends Indian heritage with global experiences. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas celebrates this unique identity and the pride it brings. It's like a global family reunion, filled with joy and shared stories. The day reminds us that being Indian is a shared heritage, no matter where you live. This sense of belonging unites and empowers the global Indian community. The event highlights the importance of staying connected to one's roots and to cherish their heritage. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is about unity, pride, and the enduring spirit of India. It's a reminder that distance can't break the bonds of family. The celebration inspires Indians worldwide to contribute to India's growth. It's a day to honor our global family and look forward to a brighter future. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is deeply connected to Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi, a Pravasi Bharatiya himself, spent over 2 decades in South Africa. His experiences as an immigrant shaped his fight for justice and equality. January 9th, the day Gandhi returned to India in 1915, was chosen for this celebration. His return marked the homecoming of a leader who brought global perspectives to India's freedom movement. Gandhi's journey shows how overseas experiences can enrich the nation. He proved that Indians abroad can make a global impact and inspire change at home. His resilience and peaceful resistance became guiding principles for generations. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas captures this spirit, encouraging the diaspora to contribute to India's progress. The day symbolizes hope, renewal, and the enduring connection between India and its people worldwide. Gandhi's story reminds us that global experiences can fuel national transformation. The celebration invites Indians everywhere to bring their knowledge and skills back home. It's about harnessing the energy of the diaspora for India's development. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas honors the journey of every Indian who remains connected to their roots. It's a call to action for the global Indian community. Together, we can build a stronger, more vibrant India. Gandhi's legacy lives on in every Pravasi Bharatiya. The idea for Pravasi Bharatiya Divas grew from a desire to recognize the Indian diaspora's role in India's story. Millions of Indians and people of Indian origin have carried their culture and values across the globe. Their contributions needed a dedicated platform for acknowledgement. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, the Indian government began planning a special day for overseas Indians. A high-level committee, led by Dr. L.M. Singhvi, recommended celebrating a day for the diaspora. This led to the creation of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. The first event was held in New Delhi from January 9th to 11th, 2003. Delegates from around the world gathered for this historic occasion. It was India's first formal recognition of its global family. The event aimed to create a unique platform for dialogue and collaboration, bringing together India and its diaspora to share ideas and celebrate achievements. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas also explored ways the diaspora could contribute to India's development. The convention marked a new chapter in India's relationship with its overseas community and the beginning of a stronger, more collaborative partnership. The vision was clear: to honor, connect, and empower Indians worldwide. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas turned a dream into reality. It set the stage for ongoing engagement and mutual growth. The celebration continues to evolve, building on this foundation. Since 2003, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas has evolved to better serve the global Indian community. In 2015, the event became biennial, allowing for deeper planning and more impactful conventions. Hosting the event in different Indian cities showcases the country's diversity and regional strengths. This rotation helps states engage directly with the diaspora and makes the event more accessible. Regional Pravasi Bharatiya Divas events were introduced in countries with large Indian populations. These regional events bring the spirit of PBD closer to overseas communities. They strengthen connections at a local level and show India's commitment to its global family. Each PBD convention now focuses on specific themes, like technology, innovation, or youth engagement. These themes keep discussions relevant and forward-looking. The event adapts to the changing needs of India and its diaspora. PBD has become a dynamic platform for sharing ideas and building partnerships. The conventions encourage collaboration in business, culture, and social development. The evolution of PBD reflects India's growing global presence. It ensures that the diaspora remains an active part of India's journey. The event continues to inspire new ways of connecting and contributing. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is now a symbol of unity and progress. It's a celebration that grows stronger with each passing year. The Indian diaspora acts as unofficial ambassadors, sharing Indian culture and values worldwide. Their success brings pride to India and builds bridges with other nations. Remittances from overseas Indians support families and boost India's economy. Many invest in businesses, create jobs, and promote economic growth back home. Diaspora members also fund schools, hospitals, and community projects in their ancestral towns. Their contributions go beyond money. They share skills, knowledge, and expertise. Indian professionals abroad collaborate with institutions in India, mentoring and innovating. This exchange of ideas benefits both India and the world. The diaspora's achievements highlight the strength of India's global community. Their ongoing support is vital for India's development and global reputation. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is more than a convention. It's a vibrant celebration. The Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award honors outstanding overseas Indians for their achievements and service. Presented by the President of India, it's the highest recognition for the diaspora. Engaging the youth is a major focus. With programs like the Know India program, KIP brings young diaspora members to India, helping them connect with their roots and modern India. Cultural performances showcase India's rich heritage. Dance, music, art, at every PBD. These events help attendees experience the sights, sounds, and tastes of India. PBD also offers business and networking forums for entrepreneurs and professionals. These sessions encourage trade, investment, and collaboration. New ventures and partnerships often emerge from these interactions. The event harnesses the economic potential of the diaspora for mutual benefit. PBD strengthens cultural and economic ties between India and its global family. It's a space for sharing ideas, celebrating achievements, and building connections. The celebration inspires pride and unity among Indians worldwide. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is a testament to the enduring spirit of the Indian diaspora. It's a festival of culture, opportunity, and togetherness. The event continues to grow, welcoming new generations into the fold. Technology has transformed Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, making it more accessible than ever. Recent conventions have embraced virtual and hybrid formats, allowing global participation online. This expanded reach connects more people to India's story and discussions. PBD themes now focus on innovation, technology, healthcare, and sustainable development. These topics keep the event relevant and forward-thinking. New digital platforms and online portals help the diaspora stay connected year-round. These resources offer information, networking, and opportunities for collaboration. The goal is to maintain a continuous dialogue, not just during the convention. Youth engagement is a growing priority, with special events designed for young Indians abroad. Their fresh perspectives and digital skills are shaping the future of PBD. India values the energy and ideas of its young global citizens. Their involvement ensures the India-diaspora relationship remains vibrant. PBD is now a hub for new ideas and initiatives. The event adapts to global changes, keeping the diaspora engaged and inspired. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is building a stronger, more connected global community. The celebration looks ahead, embracing innovation and unity. India's vision for Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is to deepen connections with its global family. The goal is a cohesive, engaged community that actively participates in India's journey. India is expanding its outreach through new diplomatic efforts and community programs. More regional PBDs, cultural centers, and youth exchanges are planned to reach every corner of the diaspora. Policy reforms are making it easier for overseas Indians to engage with India. Simplified procedures, attractive investment schemes, and better support services are being introduced. These steps encourage greater participation and contribution from the diaspora. The Indian diaspora is seen as a key partner in India's vision for 2047, the centenary of independence. Their skills, knowledge, and resources are vital for building a prosperous, innovative India. Together, India and its global family can achieve ambitious development goals. The future is about mutual growth and shared dreams. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas will continue to inspire unity and progress. The celebration invites every Indian abroad to be part of the nation's story. It's a journey towards a brighter, more inclusive future. India's strength lies in its people at home and around the world. The global Indian community is essential to India's success. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is the bridge to that future. You can celebrate Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in many simple ways. Learn about Indian culture, share stories, or cook traditional dishes with friends and family. Every effort to connect with your roots keeps the spirit of India alive. Attend a PBD convention either in person or online to join discussions and meet inspiring people. Share diaspora achievements on social media and participate in online cultural programs. Support community projects or charitable causes in India and abroad. Every act of sharing and giving strengthens our global family. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is about participation no matter where you are. The celebration builds unity and pride among Indians worldwide. It highlights the achievements and resilience of our community. India's strength comes from its people both at home and abroad. PBD is a celebration of hope, progress, and shared heritage. It's a chance to look forward to a bright future together. Join the celebration and be part of India's global story. Your involvement matters, every connection counts. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is a testament to our shared journey.